up. We'll do the exact same thing. Okay, since I flipped it, you gotta remember that we flipped it. So we get the right valves in the right places. But should be good. Should be fine. Just remember. Uno. One hit, one kill. One hit, one shot. One shot, one kill. Boom, shakalaka. Wish I could play some music, but I don't want to get copywritten. Two hits, not too shabby. I'm getting better at this. I am missing one, because on the other engine, I did lose a valve keeper. That might have been the reason that spun the engine, but I don't know. Because I fixed it, ran it, hit VTEC and everything. But the thing is with this engine, when I was working on it, I grabbed the crankshaft, and it would wiggle up and down, side to side. So, 22-year-old, 20 plus years, 20 plus year old car engine. I guess it would develop enough wear to do that. So for this engine, we are replacing all the bearings and we'll go from there. Hopefully it stays up, does not break for years, 20 plus years hopefully. We are replacing the piston rings, all the crank bearings, and the rod bearings to standard size. I didn't do any, I read online that a guy did that, replaced all, I believe it was his piston rings with standard sizes, and it worked out for him. So that's what we're gonna do, but with all the internal bearings and piston rings. Yeah. It turns out our time. But this worked. Shit. Oh shoot. I almost mixed them up. I'll show you guys later I'm setting it up. I only took mechanics in grade 10, but over the years I've been working on cars, and I think I know enough to fix things. But yeah, and I did take welding for 3 years, but we'll see how we can put that to our use. But I gotta practice. How to weld again. Alright, so we were missing one right here. We'll get it from the other engine. And then, yeah. Let's see. A bit of the surface rust, but should be fine. This thing has been open for the last 6 months. So actually, it's broken in the past year. Push it. Let me actually, yeah, let's do this. No, probably shouldn't be doing that. Push out the valves. Some of them are stuck. Find something. Let's take this one. Nice and gunky, but clean that off. Excuse me. Yeah, some of these valves are pretty stuck. I don't know if it's not good. I don't think so. Might be the carbon buildup. Who knows? Carbon buildup from the oil leak. Yeah. Clean these up.